Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and children's picture books, and for today's drawing, part of the 30-day drawing challenge, I'm going to do a sketch in pencil and colored pencil and graphite of Lotta Doler. She's the protagonist of my Wild West comic strip, Poison Ivy Gulch. Alright, so I've set down a very basic framework with 2H pencil. So let's just start here. Alright. Okay. Lotta she's a gambler. Yes, there were women gamblers in the Old West. She's originally from New York City. She moved out west. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's just add in. I'm going to draw her in her gambling attire here. She plays poker. She also plays a game called Faro. That was actually a very popular game back in the Old West. It's quite rare nowadays, although I think some casinos in Las Vegas offered the game as late as the 1980s. Alright, let's add in some of her arms here. Add in her bust. Yeah, she's a very good-looking woman. Her gambling outfit, you know, she wears a dress that shows off a lot of cleavage. It's not just to help her look pretty. It's also meant to distract her male opponents. Alright. Alright. She's a redhead. I always kind of had a weakness for redheads. Alright, here we are. So, I'm just laying down the basics here with a HB mechanical pencil. Alright. Let's add in our eyelashes there. There we go. See? Now she actually looks like, there we go. This will look better afterwards once I start adding in some of the color here. Alright. Now the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to put in some of the flesh tone. Alright, let's see here. Now for that, I'm going to be using a, this is a Derwent Aquatone Raw Sienna. This is what I usually use for flesh tones when I draw humans. I normally don't work with dry media that much other than pencil. It's kind of a nice change of pace from the from the usual inks and markers that I usually work with. There's a nice flesh color here. Alright. There we are. Alright. Not bad. Alright, yeah. Start to look like something once I add in everything else. Alright, I've added in the basic flesh tone there. Now let's see. See if we can do some of her, add in a little bit of shadow here. I've got an a 2B woodless graphite pencil. Use that for some of the black color there. Alright. Probably go over everything later. Alright. Color in the lips here. Now for this one I'm using a pink color Faber-Castell pencil. There we are. Alright, that's on there. Now it's time to put in the green here. She's a redhead. I usually put her in green. So here we're just going to color in here the fancy ribbon she wears around her neck, the choker. Add in here in the dress. Colored pencils are a very good medium to work with. They take some getting used to. But then again, so do a lot of other tools, like the various paints and ink pens and markers and pastels and watercolors and all that. Alright. Alright, there we go. Now, she is a redhead, so I'm going to go over the hair here. And after that, I'll just retouch some parts with pencils. So here, let's go ahead and get the red pencil. It actually is pretty fun to work with colored pencils. I haven't worked with them that much, so I forgot that it is enjoyable. Alright. There we are. She's starting to look like something now. A very pretty Lotta. Her sidekick is a little boy named Ace. It's also her good luck charm. I'll probably be drawing him tomorrow for the 30-day drawing challenge. Alright, let's get that in here. Again, I'm used to drawing Lotta. I draw her regularly for Poison Ivy Gulch. And I'm very comfortable drawing the character. There we are. Alright, there we go. Not deciding tomorrow, should I draw Ace in colored pencils, or maybe try marker, or maybe another medium. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. And there we go. Drawing's not quite finished yet. I do want to add some retouching. Alright. Let's just tighten up some of the pencil lines here. I'll tighten up that cleavage there. Alright. Let me just retouch that. You know, your artwork will never be perfect. While it's okay to erase or go back and retouch things, don't, you know, be an obsessed perfectionist. Alright, let's just do the neck there, the ribbon. Alright. Alright, let's do the touch up the lips here. Alright. Touch your eyes. Who is this gorgeous lady? Oh, right, it's Lotta Doler from Poison Ivy Gulch. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's just retouch. Alright. And there we are. You see? We did it. That looks like something. A very good picture of Lotta. And just make a quick signature here. Lotta Doler. There we go. Well, that's it for today. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and watch for the next day, the 30-day drawing challenge. Until then, this is me, Max West, saying goodbye.